Get ready to have one of the most colorful, exciting, and frankly, magical Chinese New Year celebrations. Oh, by the way, I swear I won't forget the 2026 Chinese New Year. We celebrated our New Year in Huai'an, which is located in Jiangsu. From the day you walked into Huai'an, we could feel the warmth of the celebration. Every home and street was adorned with red lanterns. There is a river in Huai'an, and it's called the Huai River. It is for this reason that there's so many fish and crabs in this place. The location is beautiful and serene. After lunch, we roamed around the area and walked along the river. This was the first time I watched many cultural activities for the new year. Diverse events were organized by the community. We saw a procession where the god of wealth, nicknamed Taishan, blessed people with wealth and fortune. The lion dance and similar folk performances were a must-see. Of course, I'll never forget the molten iron fireworks show in the evening. This is the heart of the celebration for me. This bright yellow shade, bathed in a shower, is a refreshing reprieve from the long dark night. We kept our distance because we didn't want the molten iron to come down on us. Huai'an really knows how to ring in the new year with a style and spirit.